Step into the thrilling world of silent cinema. Imagine a mysterious figure lurking in shadows. Welcome to The Bat from 1926, a masterful mix of suspense and comedy. Directed by Roland West, this film masterfully weaves an atmosphere of tension and farce. A masked figure, known as the Bat, prowls a secluded country estate. Secrets unfold with each suspenseful moment, yet laughter is never far behind. Now let's talk about Louise Fazenda. She plays Lizzie Allen, adding a layer of warmth and humour. Known for her silent comedy prowess, Fazenda shines in this role. Her expressive timing cuts through the suspense beautifully. In a film filled with mystery, her performances are refreshingly human and genuinely funny. West's direction is noteworthy, dripping with shadows and suggestion. It creates a chilling proto-horror vibe, impacting future mystery and horror films. But remember, The Bat always embraces its comedic roots. This blend of suspense and slapstick is what makes silent films truly special. The production design is striking, with clever plotting that keeps viewers guessing. For fans of classic horror or early Hollywood thrillers, this film is a must-watch. If you're honoring Louise Fazenda's legacy, The Bat is essential viewing. It showcases her range beyond short comedies. Every scene she graces is a little masterpiece. Enjoyed our dive into The Bat and Louise Fazenda? Don't forget to subscribe. Join us for more silent era spotlights and rediscoveries from cinema's golden age.